Hi, Cole Dent out PDR here. It's 2020 and I'm just going to go over a few tools over the last couple years. I guess you'd call them deals or tools that you'd buy and you probably don't even think you would need. Next thing you know, they come in handy. And I've never bought a tool for paintless dent repair and not made my money back on that tool. I guess the first setup was these. I think these are prototypes from CarePoint. These might have been last year or something like that. Adjustable handle, smaller door tools. These are phenomenal as far as I was never a big adjustable handle guy. And now that's all I'm going to buy is adjustable handle tools. And if you're newer into this, as I am newer into this, but I would certainly suggest looking into adjustable handles and going with them on all your tools that you can. Of course, there's some big, larger sized rods that you'll keep as a regular general handle. But the adjustments, it can just be a bit, and it makes a large difference. See what else we got here. Years back, I got these. There was a pile of tools at a discount, super discounted. And I wish I would have bought every one of them there. These were before anyone else had this handle out that I knew of. Someone might have had a version shortly after, but you can change this handle. Now you got a T handle. These are awesome, awesome, awesome. I use these all the time. These replace pretty much a lot of my door tools. I still use them because the angles, like I said, these are my two angle points. One has more of a throw than the other. I wish I would have bought them all. Next up, stuff like this. This is just a tri-bend with interchangeable tips. Once again, if you're starting to buy your tool selection, this is the way to go. It might be a few more dollars at the time. This wasn't much more at all, but it turns one rod into multiple uses. Trust me on this. Buy all your tools that can have these should have interchangeable tips. I guess lastly, I have more I could go over. Another CarePoint, which I'm not just a CarePoint. I have Stanliner, Dent Craft, PDR Finesse. I have a lot of PDR Finesse. But these came out. And I think it was buy two, get one free. Some deal at MTE, of course, being offered that wasn't anywhere else offered. Once again, I put some string around them so I can tie my whale tails together, but we have an adjustable handle. A wide tail here. I had a guy one time say, well, what are you ever going to need that for? Of course, I've used every one of these a handful of times throughout this last year, hence they paid for themselves. This even down the sides of a quarter panel. Used them there and in the sides of doors. So deals like this can really make going to Mobile Tech Expo worth it. Really quick, and it can just up your game of what you're able to do in your tool selection. You have a ton of tools in the back of your truck. Yeah, it can be a pain to take a day like I do and straighten them all out, but you also have that tool that you need to get a job done. And with the discounts that you can find on some of these, there's no sense in not picking them up. Tools make you money. If you work in an industry that you have to have tools to do it, you want the best stuff that you can get. So don't cheap out this year. Buy cool, nice tools, things that you know you need, things that you might need, things that you don't even think you need, but they're on sale. And they'll come back and make you money. Once again, Cole Dent out PDR. Look forward to seeing you at Mobile Tech Expo this year.